For this question, we're given the following solutions that are mixed together, and then we're asked to find if a precipitate forms. And if a precipitate forms, what is the empirical formula of that precipitate? And so to answer this question, we kind of have to think about what we're mixing together. And so in the first case, we have barium nitrate. And then we want to figure out what are possible products. So barium nitrate, both of these are aqueous solutions. And we've got potassium chloride. So two possible products of that are barium chloride, and the other possible product, right, we can bring the outer pair together and we can bring the inner pair together. So the other possible product is potassium nitrate. Now to figure out if a precipitate will form, we want to look up the solubility of these possible products. So nitrates are always soluble, as are group 1 metals. So the potassium nitrate, and I'll have two of those to balance this out, is always soluble. Halides are insoluble when I have silver, lead, or mercury. We don't have silver, lead, or mercury, we have barium. So there will not be a reaction in this case. There will not be a precipitation. There wouldn't even be a reaction to document because we go from aqueous to 2 aqueous in solution. Nothing will precipitate. In the next reaction, we have cadmium nitrate. And again, no nitrate is insoluble, so that is aqueous. And we mix that with manganese chloride, which is also aqueous. And then here, the two possible products. Again, we switch the inner and the outer. So the outer, cadmium chloride and manganese nitrate. And like we can see before, all nitrates are soluble. So this will be aqueous. And then we have a chloride. Chlorides would only be insoluble if we had silver, lead, or mercury, and we don't. So again, there is no precipitate in this case. This would be aqueous, this would be aqueous. In the last case, we have potassium sulfide, K2S, aqueous, and FeNO3, iron 2 nitrate, aqueous. Now, two possible products. Again, we're going to bring the outer together and the inner together. So one possible product would be 2 potassium nitrates, and we know that is aqueous because, again, all nitrates are soluble. However, the other possible product now is iron sulfide. And that will be a solid because we come over here, we see sulfide. Sulfide is insoluble unless it's with a group 1 metal or ammonium. Here, it's not with a group 1 metal or ammonium, it's with iron. So now we finally have a precipitation reaction, and the empirical formula would be FeS for iron 2 sulfide.